In this video, I will show you how to copy trade on eToro. To do this, go and open up eToro either on your phone or on the website, and after doing that, in the left menu here, you just want to go to Discover. From here, if you go to Copy Trader, you will find a bunch of people that you can copy. Now just find someone that you want to copy. For example, you can see the industry that someone is in, you can see the return and amount of copiers, and you can see some of the most copied traders right here. Or for example, you could go highest gainers over the last year, and then this person you can see in the last year has returned 53%. So then if you want to copy this person, just click on them. And then right here you can see his returns over the years. So in 2020 he actually had 164%. And if you just want to copy a person, you can then click copy in the top right. Now usually they will have a minimum. So the minimum for this person is $200, which means you need to have at least $200 in your account in order to copy that person. Now if you just go to people and here you click view all, you can set a whole bunch of filters that you can copy by. For example, if I want to filter by the person that has gained the most in the last 6 months, I can go performance and then return and then set it to a high, for example. So then you can see there's only one person here. Now usually the minimum will be $200, for some people it will be even higher. So if you have that in your account, you can then click copy and then you will start copying that trader. So now you know how to start copy trading on eToro. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.